Hi, I would like to introduce you to our new and improved Bead Brave Kit Club. Now, we had the Kit Club for 2024. It was the first year that we did it, and we learned a lot from feedback from you guys, and thank you so much for all of the members, the wonderful members that we had in the group. And I was going to discontinue it, but I got a lot of requests to continue it. So this year we have revamped it and made some big improvements to it that are going to be beneficial to you all year round. And this is called the Bead Brave Kit Club because it is for those people who want to improve their skills and learn new things and take advantage of the new Bead Brave line of kits that we are introducing and out to everybody this year. So some of the things that the club members are going to be able to take advantage of is, one, you will receive 4 of our Bead Brave kits per year, and they will be coming out in January, March, June, and September. We don't have any coming out at the end of the year because everybody gets so busy and you guys don't have time to put that stuff together. So we're going to be done by September, but then you'll start up again in January. So if you start this club in the middle of the year, you will be in it for a year and you will get 4 kits. Now, your first kit is one that you will be able to choose. We are going to give you a list of kits that have already been released, so you can choose one and you can get started right away. Then your next 3 kits will be new kits that will be coming out. Now, they're kind of mystery kits because we're not going to tell you what they are, but they will be incredible and you will learn new skills with them. And those kits, all 4 of those, will equal a value of about $440. So the club costs $400. The kits alone, you're saving $40. But you're also going to save the shipping cost because we're not going to charge you shipping on your 4 club kits. So that's another $60 in savings because it cost us about $15 a kit to mail those out. So right there, you're saving $100. But in addition, every time you get one of your Kit Club kits, you're also going to get a bonus gift. Now, this bonus gift could include tools, supplies, pattern boards, special edition things. So we've got a whole slew of goodies that we want to give you. So you're going to get those with your kit when you get your kit. And you're also going to get a special tag on the Facebook group so that we can celebrate your accomplishments and recognize your expertise in bead mosaics. And also, as a club member, you get 10% off all of your beadmosaic.com purchases, excluding workshops and gift certificates, but all of your supplies and your kits throughout the year. So that could be incredible savings for everyone beyond the $120 that you're saving and getting with the kits and the discounts and the shipping and all that. So the free shipping is only on the 4 kits that you're getting from the club, but you are going to save 10% off all of your purchases throughout the year on beadmosaic.com. And that can be kits, it could be supplies, it could be art edge, it could be patterns, whatever you're going to be purchasing the rest of the year, excluding workshops and gift cards. So if you are interested in taking your bead mosaic journey to the next level and your work to go to the next level, then please consider getting into this club. It's a fantastic way to learn more. Also, the Bead Brave kits come with a dedicated video instruction for each one of the kits because they have separate learning objectives and different challenges with them. And so I encourage you to join the club and take advantage of some of these really incredible kits. Because they're limited edition, we can only guarantee that the club members will receive the kits, because once the others run out, they run out. These kits are designed with specialty beads that I'm taking from my personal stash, and a lot of them are vintage. They can run out. So if you want to be guaranteed to get some of these really specialty, wonderful kits, make sure that you get into the club so that you can get first dibs on those. And you'll be guaranteed delivery. And it's a no-brainer. They're going to show up at your door and remind you how much fun you had with the last one, and you're going to be able to do the next one right away. So I hope that you'll join us. Thank you so much.